Hi, everybody. I'm Miss Kelly, and today I'm going to be talking about the Child Mind Institute. So, the Child Mind Institute is a resource for parents to use in order to learn a little bit more and get support about some of the issues that they feel are necessary. So, today I'm going to be talking about the three main topics that they have. They have care, education, and science. So, right now, the majority of care is still COVID related, but they also have some other things such as anxiety, OCD, depression, medication, stuff like that. And they actually have little areas where you can go and you can learn more about specifically exactly. And if you need to go see them in person or online, they have access for you to do that. They also tell you exactly how they work and how they'll work with you. For education, it's a lot more about articles. And they talk about like a whole bunch of different things such as school and community programs, awareness campaigns, outreach partnerships, bring bilingual evidence-based resources to more families. And that's another really cool thing about this website is that you can either have this website all in English or all in Spanish, whichever one is the language that your students' parents feel more comfortable reading in. And their last one is science. So a lot of this is about the developing brain. So they have a whole bunch of different things that can help students evolve their minds, especially with things such as autism or mental health issues. They have resources that you can use in order to get some help for them.